Toyota just did the unthinkable. They didn't just bring back a legend, they might have just killed the Supra. The 2026 Toyota MR2 is officially here, and it is a mid-engine monster that's about to reset the entire car world. Forget everything you thought you knew about affordable sports cars. This isn't just a refresh, it's a revolution. Today, we're going deep into the specs, the secret design details, and the performance numbers that are making Porsche nervous. If you've been waiting for a real driver's car, the wait is over. The design revolution. Let's talk about that stance. Look at the nose. It's ultra-low, it's aggressive, it looks like it's hunting for apexes. The 2026 MR2 uses ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a predatory look. This isn't just for show. The hood contours are designed to channel air directly over the cabin for maximum downforce. In the US, we love a car that looks fast standing still. Toyota nailed it. From the side, the proportions are classic MR2, short overhangs and a compact cabin. But those massive side intakes, those are feeding a very special heart sitting right behind the driver. Interior and tech. Step inside and you'll realize this isn't your grandfather's MR2. Toyota has created what they call a command center. It's entirely driver-focused. The center console is angled toward you, not the passenger. You get a massive digital cluster that changes colors based on your driving mode. But here's the best part. They kept the physical buttons for the things that matter. In a world of annoying touchscreens, Toyota remembered that enthusiasts want to feel the car. The seats are heavily bolstered, designed to hold you tight when you're pulling G's in a canyon.
The heart of the beast. Now, let's get to the shock factor. What's powering this thing? Sources indicate a turbocharged 1.6-liter three-cylinder, the same record-breaking engine from the GR Corolla, but tuned to a whole new level. We're talking 300-plus horsepower in a car that weighs significantly less than a Supra. Toyota is reportedly testing a hybrid assist system for instant torque. That means zero lag. And yes, for the purists in America, a 6-speed manual is almost guaranteed. This is a car built for the save the manuals crowd. Market disruption and pricing. Why does this shock the car world? Because of the price. The Supra has become a $60,000 plus investment. The MR2 is rumored to start between $45,000 and $55,000. It slots perfectly between the GR86 and the Supra. But here's the kicker. On a tight track, this mid-engine layout will likely outrun both of them. It's a Porsche-killer on a Toyota budget. This is exactly what the U.S. market has been begging for, a mid-engine exotic experience without the exotic price tag. The 2026 MR2 isn't just a car, it's a statement that Toyota still cares about people who actually love to drive. It's sharp, it's fast, and it's finally real. So here's the big question. Would you take this over a base Porsche 718 or a loaded Supra? Or is the MR2 the only car you'll ever need? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the 2026 launch, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next.